Well, we appear to have taken our eyes off the ball with COVID-19, but what was the latest as we have it?
Well, 127,000 persons have received booster jabs as at Monday, February 28 in Ghana. General Manager for the expanded program on immunization, Dr. Kwame Amponsa-Chiano, tells TV3, although there is a decline in active cases, the general public must continue to observe COVID protocols during the Easter festivities.
As of the end of February, more than 12 million doses of vaccines have been administered. 8 million persons have had one dose, while 4 million persons are fully vaccinated. Ghana's active case count stands at 667, with 85 new cases. In spite of the low infection figures, Dr. Amponsa-Chiano does not believe the time is ripe to ease restrictions.
It depends on how we behave. You see, the ultimate is to get a lot more people vaccinated. You see what is happening in the European world. Restrictions are easy, not because of the general decline, but because they are vaccinated. So we still want to tread cautiously from the technical point of view. If you are calculating by the entirety of the population, then you would say that we are doing around 30% first doses. But if you look at our targets in terms of people we want to vaccinate as a benchmark, then we are doing around 45%.
7 million doses of vaccines are currently in the cold room awaiting distribution.
All the regions are vaccines. Basically, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson.
However, vaccine hesitancy remains high due to the low uptake of COVID vaccination in Ghana, an issue the health service has been trying to cure through increased public education.
Okay, let's take a clear picture of what the COVID vaccination situation really looks like. That's what you see behind me here. According to the Ghana Health Service's own data, 12,637,542 people have been administered the vaccines. These are the total doses of vaccines administered, over 12.6 million. Now, a breakdown of this 12.637,542 is 8,793,591 have been given one dose. That's about 44% of the total. 8,793,591. Now, the next is those who have been fully vaccinated. That is those who have received 2 doses or 1 dose of Johnson & Johnson. 4,867,214 persons are fully vaccinated, making up 24.3% of the total figures we have it, and 127,214 persons have received booster jabs. So that's a clear picture of the COVID-19 vaccination so far as we have, and some 667 persons current active cases as we have in the country now, 85 new cases, and some 1,442 persons, unfortunately, have died as a result of COVID-19. So apart from the vaccination, this is the COVID update and the situation as we have it now in the country.